Let's talk about how to make $600 a day, which is $219,000 a year, and how to do that working 2 hours a day with an automated online business. First, it's all about the product that you're promoting. It needs to be a product that's in high demand. And I'm going to show you how you can promote a product and make 100% profit. And hundreds and thousands of people are looking for these products each day. Second, we're going to automate our business so that your automations are literally working for you out there 24/7. Third, how to get your business discovered. I'm going to show you how to copy and paste free ads to high traffic websites at no cost. 30 minutes a day, copy, paste, post. That's it. I give you 69 different websites to copy, paste, and post. That's it. And you're going to learn how to create content to attract your perfect customer. And if you don't want to be on video like I'm talking to you right now, you don't have to. I'm going to show you how you can do faceless attraction. And once you learn how to create content, you guys, I just do 3 pieces of content a day. Like 3 videos a day. 3 a day equal daily pay. Number 5, I'm going to teach you attraction marketing. So we're going to show you how you can have faces video content or talking on video back to your automated system. This page that are out there literally working for you 24/7. When people go to that page, it's like a journey that we take them on, a journey of know, like, and trust. We just want people to know what we have and to see if they can get it and like it and trust if it's a solution that they are looking for. That's how I've learned to make daily pay. It's a solution that they're looking for. Guys, if they like and trust it, they're gonna buy. This is how I'm having days like this. This is how I've learned to have daily pay. I've learned to have an automated business. I've learned to have build an email list. And I get my life back. If you want to learn more about the blueprint I follow from going stressed to going from stressed to and overwhelmed to making daily pay, put yes in the comments. I'd love to share the blueprint. Take a look at it. See if it's what you like, and if it is, join me.